Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your host Ray. Today's video is a unboxing and review of the newly released Gemini Jets United Airlines Boeing 767-300ER. I pre-ordered this in I'd say early July, right when it was released, and I got an amazing discount on it. Its retail price is about $50 US. I got mine for $37 US with shipping included, so it would be $32 US. I pre-ordered mine from the Flying Mule, and I think they're still available for pre-order, so if you want to pre-order yours, you better do that now. But this just arrived today, and I'm super excited, because a lot of you don't know this, but the Boeing 767-300 is my second favorite aircraft, so I'm very excited. And yeah, let's get to the review. I'm also kind of paranoid because of the recent Gemini Jets quality has been going downhill, and I just hope I got what I paid for. Well, the model that is guaranteed. Oh, so before I open it, here's the box art, the computer-generated image. There's the side. There's this side. Same with the other side, and the bottom part. And of course, the rear. Yeah, so let's open her up. So before I go over the model, I just want to read these off to make sure Gemini Jets actually met up to their standards. Highly collectible, superior quality, which means really good quality, better than most of the competition. Realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, and as real as it gets features. Alright, so I'm expecting a super high quality model that is basically unmatched, which I already know I'm not going to get that, but yeah, I'll go over the airplane. So holy Jesus, the airplane is huge. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, that's for sure. So yeah, let's do that. 767 1/400. All right, let's open her up. I just want to be careful with this so I don't break the model. Alright, so here's the model. Holy cow. Oh, God, I already noticed an error. Here's the plastic covering, and we'll grab it by the fuselage because that's guaranteed to not break. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Gemini Jets 1/400 scale United Airlines Boeing 767-300ER. I am so stupid sometimes. I'm very sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like at first. It's just really impressive. The size, the everything. The huge United logo. I'm not sure if that's too big, but it still looks pretty cool. It looks like in the back. I already love this model because it just looks pretty cool. I've never had a 400 scale 767-300, and I've waited for one for a while, and voila, I get this. So let's go in depth with the details and features. Alright, so first things first, you got the Star Alliance logo, the door, everything basically. Is that a stain? Can't tell if that's a stain or not. I can barely see that. Give me a quick second. Doesn't appear to be a stain. So yeah, here's the front of the aircraft. I can't exactly read what's on there because, I mean, it's so small. There's the United logo. I don't notice any issues so far. Just, here's the engine. Huge engine. I don't see any markings inside the engine or any issues. We'll move up the wing. Uh-oh, what's that? It's this right here. Give me a sec. Yep, we've already got our first issue. You can see, I think that's an issue with the paint right there on the wing. I mean, it looks okay, but that's not exactly going to fly with me. No pun intended. Oh my God, what is this? Oh man, the winglets look good at first. What is this? Let me make sure this is... Oh my God, bro. So they obviously screwed up the printing on the tip. You can see a little bit of blue fading through the gray there. And apparently it's just... Like, I guess they cut off that top part early. I'm not sure what happened there, but whatever did, that is totally unacceptable. I did not, that is not good. And like you can see that it's on an incline. Like the top part, it's not at a 90-degree angle. It's more angled towards the ground, which is not. Oh man. All right, with the quality I've seen already, this thing should be easily priced at $40 maximum. So let's continue. Let's see. Does that have more stains? I can't tell if those are stains or not. Oh man. I'm already quite disappointed. And yeah, if you look on the side of the fuselage, I can't tell if those are stains or not. They don't look like stains, so that's nice. There's a little. Where is my pencil? I use that thing to. Here it is. Okay, I'll use that thing to point somewhere around here, right there. You'll see a little paint issue right there. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, what is this? I'm not sure if that's part of the wing or anything, but paint kind of just like drops off here. That doesn't look too good. I'm not sure if that's actually part of the 767 though. I don't think it is. Here's the tail registration, N676UA, the American flag. Nothing too cool. And here is the tail. Here's the big reveal. All right, this is gonna be kind of hard to spot, but there's like a little alignment issue back here and more printing issues. Man, what is this? I mean, I was hyped for the model. I thought I was gonna get something really good quality, as it said on the box, but I obviously didn't. Here's the rest of the tail. I think, yeah, just nothing special there. Okay, the right side of the tail, it looks just fine. I don't notice anything here on the right. The right side looks just fine to me. Sorry for the camera falling. Basically the same features up front. Wings and engines look okay. Just, I mean, they got the. Oh my! What is this? There's like a dot in the middle of the winglet, and it's all mangled. This is not okay. This is not the model I was promised. Now this is not a collectible model. This is a cheap hunk of metal. That's what this is now, because I'd sell this thing for no less than no more than $30 US now. At the quality of the model I just got here, no more than $30 US. I think they got the printing right here. Actually, they did that okay, but the wingtips kind of mangled. Yeah, just have a good look at that. Alright, so here's the bottom of the model. I don't see anything too suspicious down there. Here's the Gemini Jets logo, really small. Oh, what is this? It's a little issue with the Ram air turbine printing. I think that's the Ram turbine, I'm not sure. Let's see, I don't see anything else down here that should be noted. Just a few like scratches and things. Before I finish the review, I want to note that this line right here, this line looks almost like the color black. It's very dark, and I mean, that's all right. It's not that big of an issue. The wheels do roll. That's really nice. The wheel here is obviously bent for some reason, which that's not okay. Here's what they look like from the bottom. Yeah, slightly bent. Here's the front gear. Oh, what is that? I hope that's not a paint scratched. Okay, I don't know what that little white speck is. I'm gonna probably remove it later, but yeah, that's not okay. So I'm not sure what to say. That's basically the end of this review. I'm pretty disappointed because this is definitely not the model I was promised. As it says on the box, and I quote, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, and as real as it gets features. This is not as real as it gets. I've seen other companies, Aero Classics and NG models, they do a lot better than this, so I'm very disappointed. Yeah, that's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions down below. I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. And any question goes, because I know this is a new release, and this is probably the first review of this new release. So yeah, if you do choose to buy one, just know the risks, and I hope that you get a better quality model than I did. But yeah, this is what I got. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.